Welcome to Positive Motivation. If you clicked on this video, it means somewhere deep inside you know one truth. Your life cannot stay the same anymore. 2026 is not just another year. It is a turning point. Either you repeat the same habits and stay stuck, or you change a few powerful habits and completely transform your life. Success is not magic. Confidence is not luck. Peace is not something you wait for. Everything changes when your daily habits change. Today, I am not here to motivate you for 5 minutes. I'm here to rebuild your mindset for the next chapter of your life. These are not common habits. These are life-altering habits that silently shape successful people. If you apply even 2 of them, your life in 2026 will look unrecognizable. Listen carefully, because this message may be exactly what your future self needs you to hear today. The first powerful habit that can transform your life in 2026 is taking full responsibility for everything in your life. Most people destroy their future without realizing it. They blame the government, they blame family, they blame circumstances, they blame bad luck. But let me tell you a hard truth. The moment you blame something outside yourself, you lose power. Successful people think differently. They say, if my life is not where I want it to be, it is my responsibility to change it. This mindset is painful at first, because responsibility means no excuses, no victim mindset, no complaining. But responsibility also gives you control. In 2026, stop saying, I didn't get opportunities. They didn't support me. I was born in the wrong place. Instead, start saying, this is my life, and I will build it no matter what. Every morning, ask yourself one question. What can I do today to move my life forward? Even a little. Not tomorrow. Not next month. Today. People who win don't wait for perfect conditions. They create momentum in imperfect situations. When you accept responsibility, something powerful happens. Your confidence grows. Your excuses disappear. Your discipline increases. And slowly, life starts responding to your actions. The second powerful habit for 2026 is discipline over motivation. Motivation is emotional. It comes and goes. Some days you feel unstoppable. Some days you feel empty. But discipline does not depend on mood. Discipline says, I will do it even when I don't feel like it. Look at the people who changed their lives. They were not motivated every day. They were consistent. In 2026, stop waiting to feel motivated. Start creating systems. Wake up at the same time. Work at the same time. Learn at the same time. Exercise at the same time. Your brain loves routine. Your success depends on it. Discipline is painful in the beginning, but regret is far more painful later. Every time you skip discipline, you are training yourself to quit. Every time you show up despite discomfort, you are building self-respect. And self-respect is the foundation of confidence. Remember this line, motivation makes you start. Discipline makes you unstoppable. The third powerful habit is protecting your focus like your life depends on it. Because in 2026, focus will be more valuable than money. The world is designed to distract you. Social media, notifications, useless conversations, drama. Most people are not failing because they lack talent. They are failing because their attention is scattered. You cannot build a powerful life with a distracted mind. Successful people do something differently. They say no more often. They say no to distractions, no to energy-draining people, no to things that don't align with their goals. In 2026, your phone should work for you, not control you. Ask yourself, is this content helping me grow? Is this conversation adding value? Is this activity moving me closer to my future? If not, let it go. Focus is not about doing more. It's about doing less, but doing it deeply. When your focus sharpens, your progress accelerates. The fourth powerful habit is daily learning and mental upgrading. The world is changing faster than ever. Skills that worked yesterday may be useless tomorrow. If you stop learning, you start falling behind. But learning does not mean degrees or classrooms. Learning means curiosity. Learning means reading, listening, observing. In 2026, invest at least 30 minutes every day in learning something that improves your future. Learn a high-income skill. Learn communication. Learn emotional control. Learn how money works. Your mind is your biggest asset. What you feed it daily becomes your reality. Garbage in, garbage life. Knowledge in, powerful future. One book can change your thinking. One skill can change your income. One insight can change your direction. Never underestimate small daily learning. The fifth and final powerful habit is choosing growth over comfort. Most people choose comfort. That's why most people stay average. Growth feels uncomfortable. It demands effort. It demands patience. It demands sacrifice. In 2026, ask yourself, am I choosing what is easy or what will make me better? Comfort keeps you safe. Growth makes you strong. Every time you feel resistance, you are close to growth. Every time you want to quit, you are close to transformation. Pain is temporary. Pride lasts forever. Your future self is watching your decisions today. Let me end this with something important. You don't need to change everything at once. You don't need to become perfect. You only need to start. One habit, one decision, one disciplined action. And if no one believes in you right now, remember this. Your commitment matters more than their opinion. This is positive motivation. And we believe that ordinary people can build extraordinary lives. If you apply these habits in 2026, your life will not just change, it will transform. Stay focused, stay disciplined, and never stop believing in your potential.